Okay, Emmy. What do you have? What is that?
Legos.
Legos? What kind of Legos?
Beauty and the Beast Lego.
Beauty and the Beast Legos. Will you show everybody the box? Show the camera. Yeah. Flip it around. Ooh. Okay, let's open it up. You can open it.
Good. Instead of watching the video, to tell you what it's
What's in there? Ooh. So what all's in there? So we got a number 1 bag. We got a number 2 bag. We got this gold piece. Okay. And we got the instruction book. Easy to build. Set. Yep, set 10762. Alright. So we'll get started. We'll do a speed build. You ready? Tell me about what all did you build?
I built the top.
Yeah.
I built these.
Yeah. What's this part?
That's the flowers.
From what movie?
Beauty and the Beast.
And it's a, what kind of flower is it?
A rose.
A rose, and it's in its glass case, which is cool. Okay, and then who's that you have in your hand?
Belle.
That's Belle. And where's a cool spot that she can hang out in the castle? What did they make? Yeah, right there. Let's show everybody. So we'll put her there. And so then we'll turn, and so she can spin and play on either side.
Can I take her out?
You can spin her. Show everybody how she spins. Yeah, I don't know that they can see that real good. So show them how she spins. Cool, so you can take her out. What else do we have though?
Oops.
It's okay. So let's put this over here. Oops. Yeah, we'll put that back. What else did you build? What do we have here?
We have this.
A fountain, like the Beast had in his garden.
And the book.
A book, because she really likes to read books. Cool. What else do we have?
And we have a spinner thing.
A spinner thing? Show them that one. That one's cool. There were a lot of moving parts in this one. Right there. Show me. Yeah, that's Mrs. Potts. Cool. And then what about this one? Who's on this one? Do you remember his name?
No.
Chip.
Chip.
Chip's on that one. That cart rolls, doesn't it? Show them how it rolls.
Who are we talking to?
Just me. Cool. And then last but not least, you remember his name?
No. Mr. Flock.
Yeah, Mr. Cogsworth.
Mr. Flock.
Cool. Well, that was a fun build. And then at the end, it had this little comic strip too. All the parts. Very cool. Say bye, everybody.
Bye.